Yes.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Oof. Like I said, we were blessed with it, able to take it apart because of the way we're doing this roof. Got a dead battery? Ceiling joist repair. Ceiling joist repair. From the outside now. Like I said, you couldn't do this unless you were getting a new roof on. If you're getting a new roof, you can do it just like we're doing it. We're covering right over it. A new layer of OSB. We're going to re-insulate this thing. We have our jack on the inside holding everything up. Won't have to be as soon as we get the screws in this thing. It's not going anywhere. Take that down. We're going to put some blocking in here just in case he needs to put a few screws in it. That last one's not.
2014.
What I'm saying is that last one there, right there, you're not going to the rafter. You're measuring only to there. So you need to make it bigger, go the other way. Okay, good.
2014.
Gotcha, brother.
I'm going to take this one out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's garbage.
Take it right out.
It's garbage.
Take it out, Paul. Garbage. Paul's getting ready to cut me a 17.5 here. We'll fill in our other piece here. Another 2 sheets, then a cut. Finish our outside edge. We'll be ready to start gluing this down so that it's not just sitting up here for the whole weekend, not being held on. So stay tuned, guys. Still lots to come. Lots. You can do your own roof. It's so easy to do. Couple hands. I mean, we're old guys. We can do it. You can do it. If it's made of wood, you can fix it. I mean, just imagine what you can do with something like this over your trailer. Mobile home. Your home don't even have to say trailer or single wide or anything like that. It's somebody's house. So somebody made a comment that I was polishing a turd, and it's still going to be a turd. Well, this turd is somebody's house. So I have all respect for this guy right here getting his place to where he's not leaking anymore. So yeah, this man's gonna be in good shape. He won't have to worry about it anymore. Yes, sir. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Call him. We are so close to getting this last few sheets on here, guys. Everything's screwed on that we've got on here so far. We've got 2 sheets here, and then we've got a rip run. A last sheet and then a rip run. We'll be done with this bad boy. Stick around for more. We're not stopping yet.
Caucasian. No, pull out on it. Pull out on it. Pull out on it. You really need to pull to the sides because it's so thick here in the middle. We don't pull out hard. I wouldn't mind pulling it through that. Pull the bottom. Yeah, it's enough. Yeah. Just hold these. Yeah, hold. Not too far, man. Get ready. You good? Yeah, don't get on music.
Anything bad thing about this? Forgot to mark it.
Huh?
Forgot to mark it.
We'll mark it on the last run when we get out 3 feet. Pull it over, mark it. Pretty simple.
No, I'm talking about how far you carry the glue.
I know. I'm saying on the bird before we do the last lap, 3 feet, whatever, we'll pull it back.
Yes.
Mark it. Take 2 seconds. We still got 2 more pulls first.
on. Come on, Mark.
I know. Trying to pull that wrinkle out.
See a wrinkle? Yeah, on there.
Pull it right there, that way. Pull it to you, right there in the middle. Right there to your left hand. Pull that way. See that right there? You got it.
Come on now.
Left hand. You're right. Got it, Paul. Nothing to do but to do it, brother. See a crayon? Yeah. See it right over there in the bottom. As far as we want to go with the glue. Don't go any further than that, it's a pain in the butt. All we have left is the center.
You got a good bit done?
Oh, plenty. All we got left is the center right here. That's glued down. This is glued down. It's a beautiful day. Scrap. I almost say Scrapping with Grandpa, which is my other YouTube channel. I have two, my roofing channel and my scrapping channel. I scrap metal. I scrap recyclable metal. On my other channel, it's totally different from my roofing channel. If you like scrap metal, go check me out. I'll tell you one thing, that's a completely different roof than what he had the day we got here, buddy. That is not the same job. Look the same, ain't nothing about it the same. Now we got have a nice overhang, metal trim all the way around. It's gonna look so beautiful. And you can do this to your house just as easy as Paul and I did to this one. So I'm really hoping that all the videos that I've made so far.
Paint it white.
Yes, and then it's gonna be painted white, everybody. Wait till you see the end result. It's gonna be white. We're using Hydro Stop to paint it white when we're finished. Stick around. Videos aren't finished to this job. We got a lot of stuff. We're gonna be bending metal on Monday. Or Monday and Tuesday, probably.
Nah, Monday.
Huh?
No, fishable Wednesday, Monday. Fishable and middle on this
I
Monday.
expect this thing to be done by latest Tuesday, is all I'm saying. And
Yeah.
if we get it done Monday, that would be beautiful, but I give us,
When Tom bought it, metal it,
yeah.
come back Tom bought it and go paint it.
All right, guys, come back on Monday. 2x4 on the edge. Fascia metal, white, all the way around. This thing will be a different house. Remember, we replaced the fascia, the siding from here to the porch. Starting the roof. When we finish this roof, not next week, but the week after, we're gonna go and start the floors. So if you want to see some more mobile home repair stuff, hit the bell notification so you're notified next time I put out a video. Coming soon. We're gonna do the floors from that end to that end. So lots to be done, lots to be seen, lots to learn. Come on back and join me for a learning lesson. So hopefully it's something that you'll be able to do in the future. Till then, guys, what's next? Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Mobile home, baby. Mobile home specialty.